Hello friends, I'm Chenchu. Welcome to WordPress video tutorial and MYR Creations. In this video, I'll teach you how to paste your AdSense code into your WordPress website. Let's get started. For that, I need to open my browser, and here I made a bookmark over here to my AdSense account. And after opening your account, now I'm activating my new account for my new website. And look over here, it is showing giving a code, and it is telling paste it into HTML of our website, which is www.oldtechtoday.com between the head tags. Okay, now I'm copying this code, and I'll go to my website, which is www.oldtechtoday.com, and I'll go to my dashboard. You just have to go to your dashboard and go to appearance, and under appearance you have to go to editor option. Choose editor option, and it will take you to this page. And this right hand side, you just have to scroll down and search for theme header. Okay, it is over here, and click on it and it will get open. And scroll down, search for header tags. It was showing over here, place your code between head tags, right? For that you have to search head tags over here, and this is first head, and this is the downside is there, another head tag is there somewhere over here. You guys can see over here. And now I pasted, already I have pasted my code, and now I'm pasting again. Just select this, and now you guys, actually it will be like this for you guys. And you have to paste the starting of that head code. You just have to come here and Ctrl+V, and the code has been placed. Okay, and click on update file. Okay, after 24 hours, and you guys will receive a mail from AdSense account, I mean AdSense department, whether your website has been approved or disapproved. And I hope you guys got my point, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you. Bye bye now.